Did you know that more than 45 million people are currently taking online courses? And when we say people, we don't mean just students. Online courses are high in demand with literally everyone and everyone. Kids, students, working professionals, teachers, coaches, entrepreneurs, senior managers, CEO, homemakers. The list just goes on. So, if you are good at something, why not teach it to others and make a business out of it? You can teach anything. Crafts, cooking, coding, English, stress management. There are no caps on the niche. And the best part is, you do not need to be a subject matter expert or have high-end technical skills to launch an online course. Our best-selling ebook on launching an online course will help you create your course right from the scratch. Here's what will this ebook cover. Step-by-step walkthrough of creating, launching, and marketing your online course. How to create engaging course content. How to create a buyer persona of your ideal customer. Top mistakes made while launching an online course, and how you can avoid them. And much more. Click the link in the description to grab your copy today.